Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will complete it inshallah. Like I said, what is the odd numbers? It's okay. What is the odd number? It is a number that I will divide it between two groups like that, and I have one extra or one left over. For example, like 3, we said that it's okay if I have 3 marbles, so I will put here 1, 2, and I have one extra outside. I can't put it here or here, to be fair. So it is one left over. It is extra. But if I have 7, for example, if I have 7 marbles, divide them also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also I have one extra. If I have 9, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excellent. 7, 8, and also one extra or one left over. So any number you can't divide equally without leftover, and you must have one leftover or one extra. It is an odd number. Only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers only? No. And any number like, for example, 13. If you have number 13, look at the ones digit. If the ones digit is odd number also, so number 13 all is an odd number. For example, 31. It's okay. Look at the ones digit. 1 here is odd number, so 31 all is odd number. For example, 79. It's okay. Look at the ones digit. It is 9. 9 is odd number. So 79 all is odd number. I have a trick. Odd or even. Even here you have 4 letters. Yes or no? You can divide it between 2 groups. So even number, I can divide it between 2 groups equally. Like E. Yes or no? Here 2 letters and here 2 letters. But odd number, look at odd. I have D and D. And I have O extra or left over. So I can't divide it. Easy, girls? I think it's easy. What about my lesson today? My lesson today, I will talk about the product. My product is odd number or even number. Every time I must answer my problem and look at my number, it is even or odd number. You can know that from the factors. 3 multiply 2 or 2 multiply 4 or any number or equations. Coming to 2 multiply 4. 2, it is an even number. 4, also even number. So even number multiply even number, you must have even number. So your product, without, I don't know what is the answer. I don't know what is the product, but the product is even number. It is a rule. Easy. Very good. 2 multiply 8 equals 8. 2 multiply 4 equals 8. And yes, 8 is even number. Easy? Yes, I think it's so simple. Coming to another example. 3 multiply 2. 3, it is, miss, it is an odd number. No. Now what about 2? Even number, yes? If you have odd number multiply even number, also you have even product. So even multiply even equals even. Even multiply odd equals even also. Check your answer. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. Very good. And of course 6 is an even number. Why that? Why? Because 2 multiply 4, I have 2 groups. And each group has 4. So I have 2 equal groups. I have 2 equal groups without any leftover. So it is even number. Now what about 3 multiply 2? Also I have 3 multiply 2 equals 2 multiply 3. So I have also 2 groups, and each group has 3. So no problem. 2 groups and have 3, has 4, have 5, anything. So, but they are equal groups. So it is even number or even product. طب what about if you have odd number multiply odd number? Odd number multiplying odd number. What do you think? Yes, of course, bravo. It is the answer is odd also. The answer or the product is odd. Why? Of course, I have here 3 multiply 5. So I have 3 groups. And each group here, I have 3 groups. And each group has 5. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to divide them equally. 1 group for Sarah, 1 group for Emil. طب here the 5, 2 for Sarah, 2 for Emil, and I have 1 extra or 1 left over. So my product is odd number. Easy. But in the top here, like 3 multiply 2, like I said, I have 2 groups and each group has 3, so they are equal without any leftover. So what is my conclusion? It's very important, my dear, my students. Even multiply even equal even. Odd multiply odd equal odd. But what about if I have even multiply odd equals even also? Easy. Thank you so much for you, and we can complete inshallah in the virtual classroom. Goodbye.